Hi, in this video, I'm just going to talk about briefly what do I think of Whop. So I recently actually joined Whop and I was able to create a community, put a course together, and just really figure out how the platform actually works. And I was blown away by all the inbuilt features that Whop has to offer. And compared to other platform, whether that's school or whether that's you know GHL, Circle, other different platforms, this platform actually allows you to join without any subscription, monthly subscription fee. So that was one of the main reasons that I hopped on it. I was really curious to see how it all works, so I was able to create a free community. And yeah, I'm planning to, in fact, like launch a paid community and course, and also on the back end could do high ticket program selling. So for those of you who don't know me, I run an agency, so I run content agency. So right now I'm considering to pivot into info product as well, and I see that this platform has that um, a lot of features, inbuilt features to basically host course, become an affiliate, and run your business, even for your agency as well. So you're able to actually create like a community so people feel warm, and then they can become a paid client. So I was blown away, and by no means I'm an affiliate to Whop directly, but Whop actually does help you become an affiliate to other people's program, which is really fascinating on the things that you can do. And they have like an inbuilt payment processor as well. So Whop take 3% on every transaction, and which is quite interesting. So that's how their business model actually work. So if you're a creator, if you're someone who has a coaching business or a consulting business, you're a course creator, perhaps you're even an agency, you could use this platform to be able to create your free community so you can bring a lot of people in. However, if you're looking to monetize from right off the bat, you can create like a community, whether that's $50 a month or $100 a month. You get people into the community, give them access to the course, to the mini course, have community. You can even do, you know, coaching calls, things like that. And I think it's pretty fascinating that you can create something on a front end. So whether that's a very low barrier to enter, same as the software. For me, it was like very, very low barrier to enter um, for your clients. So if you're selling high ticket, why not create a small free community that people can get a taste of what it's like working with you, and then upsell them onto a low ticket recurring, where they pay $50 a month or $100 a month, and then they get more success, right? And then take them to your high ticket where you're charging 2 grand, 3 grand, 5 grand, 10 grand, 8 grand for your high ticket coaching program. So it seems very interesting. I highly recommend you to go and use it. And I really like the dark theme of the style and look of it. And you can go to the discover. Basically, you can discover all the different people in your niche, so you can search and optimize your landing page on Whop. So you can essentially optimize your sales page like a funnel in all in build, which is the crazy part. And then you have images, you mention who it's for, you optimize for the SEO so that people can find you. So for example, if you're a personal trainer, you can have a highly SEO ranked keywords that you can integrate, so you can what people are looking in your niche. So how to lose belly fat as as a single mom, or as someone who's you know looking to be stronger in the gym. So you can optimize it so people can organically find you, because there's like 2 million search per week on Bob, which is quite interesting. I'm going to explore this software a bit more and apply it. And very, very soon I'll potentially will be uploading more content on Whop. That's what I'm considering. I hope you got some value out of this. I'll make sure I'll link it below Whop, or you can go actually check it out. And yeah, until next time.